Hi friends, in this video I would be showing dark mode settings. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. So right now this phone in light mode. So let me enable dark mode. Tap on display and brightness. Tap here. And here you can see two options, light mode and dark mode. So right now I have enabled light mode. So let me enable dark mode. Tap here. Done. See. So this way we can enable dark mode. So if you use dark mode, you can save battery. That is a one advantage of using dark mode. Okay, so later if you want to go back to light mode, you can again go to settings, then go to display and brightness. Here you can select light mode. See, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.